Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create professional fashion product photos for your online store using AI. Now, I know how important it is to create professional fashion product photos, for your brand, how important it is for your customers, to convert your customer. The customer should be able to take a look at your product in a much clearer. They should have the least number of confusion that they might have in their mind while browsing your product. So that's pretty much what we'll be solving that by using AI, because hiring a professional photographer and also editor for your designing and also for creating those professional images of your product takes a lot of time and also a lot of money. At the end of this video, you will be able to create images like this, as you can see in the video right now. We'll be learning all of that. And so without any further ado, let's get into the video. But if it's the first time you're watching our video, then please do consider subscribing to our channel and also liking this video, and comment down below what are your thoughts about this platform. So let's get into it. First and foremost thing, what I want you to do is visit wearview.co. You can find a link in the video description, so go ahead and check it out. Once you visit Wearview, create your account or log into your account if you have already, then click on Try It Now button. Don't worry, just head to the video description, click that link, and you will straightly get into the service that we'll be discussing about in today's video. So as we can see, we have a lot of services or options that you can choose from in Wearview. We have worked a lot harder in creating all these services, so please show us some love by liking this video. First, we have AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Pro, Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Post Control, AI Consistent Models, and lastly, we have AI Model Swap. And below, you can see these are the product images that I have created like previously while using Wearview. So we'll be learning just that. So to create our professional fashion photos, we'll click on AI Product to Model option. We'll click on it, and next you will have the option to choose 4 images of your product. Maybe that can be your t-shirt, your trousers, your shoes, your hats, your shades, whatever it may be. You have 4 images to choose from. If you don't know what to choose, or if you want to know what all images or what our products are supported by Wearview, click on See What Works. It will show you the product combination that works. It works with a dress, t-shirt, bag, shoes, hats as well, shades and skirts and stuff like that. You can see what works and what doesn't. Make sure you read that carefully. Choose simple images and avoid complex images, because we all like simple things, right? So make sure you choose simpler images like this one. So first thing you have to do is choose your products. For this video, I'll choose this t-shirt. It looks really nice. And then I will also choose a trouser. This trouser looks good. Yeah, it looks really amazing. And then you can also add maybe a shade, or maybe a hat, or maybe a hat, or maybe shoes, whatever your products you want to showcase in your website. Now, once you're done choosing or selecting your products, we'll click on the next button. Here we'll have to choose our models. You can skip this process if you want, but I would suggest you to choose a great model. If you have a picture of your model, you can go ahead and choose that by clicking on Choose File. But if you want the AI to do its magic, go to My Models and then click on Model Library. Here you have the option to choose from women and men. We have a really great collection of AI models here, men as well. You can also, if you want, you can create your AI model as well, which is something very, very amazing about Wearview. But for this project, or for this image, I will choose man, and I'll choose Omar, because he is great looking guy. I wish I looked like Omar, but this is how I look. So once you're done choosing your model, we'll click on the next button. Now you can describe your model setting. This is an optional, setting that we have, but it will give you more control over your images that will be generated by Wearview. If you go to prompt tips, it will give you tips about your prompt that you can type or that you can use, common mistakes, as well as what works. If you want, you can also copy a prompt that is already there. Here you can just click on copy and then paste it over there. You can choose from e-commerce, editorial, luxury, corporate, street view, and lifestyle. You can just copy and then just paste it over here if you want, but for this video I'll just keep it blank. As you can see, it says optional. Next, what you can do is choose the quality of the image that you want. You can choose HD, which consumes 2 credits. It generates faster, but I won't suggest you to do it. I would recommend 2K or 4K. If you're really serious about your business, then 4K is your best friend. But for this video, I'll choose 2K. The product outcome is really good. But like I said, if you want the best of the best, then 4K is your best friend. You can choose the number of images that you want to generate. For this video, I'll try to generate 4 of them, and choose the aspect ratio in which you want the image to be. Now I have selected default. You can choose 1:1, which will be a square ratio, or 16:9, which will give you a horizontal image. I'll choose default, and then I'll click on the generate button. Now this will take around 3 minutes of time, and 3 minutes is nothing in comparison to the weeks of work that the photographer and his editing team will consume in creating all this kind of amazing images. So while we wait, let me just grab a cup of coffee, and I want you to grab a cup of coffee as well while we wait. So I'll just resume the video once the image generation is done. All right, so within a few minutes or so, not even a minute, I think it took around like 2 minutes, we have our image right here. It looks really nice. You can see, you can just choose from it. I think the AI did a mistake here. My image had a printing on the front. So as you can see, the AI can make mistakes. It's okay. But you can see this one looks really nicely made. Even this one is amazing. Right, this one, I love it. These 3 are the ones that are really amazing. If you want, you can also go ahead and refine it. Here you can just go ahead and make changes if you want. But I'm really happy with the 3 images that we have here. If you want, you can also flip them. If you want Omar to look that side, you can just do that. There's not much difference here. But as you can see, within a few clicks, within a few minutes, I won't say a second, within a few minutes, you have so much high quality images that you can just go ahead and upload it in your store and let the ball rolling. All the customers that you can get by uploading these amazing pictures, it is just hands down amazing. Well, once you are happy with it, I'll just click on the download button, and straightly I'll send this images to my manager and then upload it to my clothing store, and that's pretty amazing. If you want, you can also click on the start fresh button to start everything from fresh. And by any chance, if you're not happy with the result that Wearview gave you, you can go ahead and click on the try again button. But hey, you saw it yourself, the quality of the images that Wearview has provided or produced, it's really amazing. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. In this way, you can create professional fashion product photos for your store using online within a few minutes. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any queries, please let us know in the comment box down below. We would love to help you out, and please visit wearview.co. We have worked a lot hard on this project. It's really amazing. As you can see, if you have a clothing brand, then Wearview is your best friend. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Victor from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.